Is your fridge running but not cooling? Don't worry. I'll show you the most common reasons why your fridge stops cooling and how you can fix it step by step. From simple checks to hidden problems, we'll cover everything in an easy and clear way. So let's begin. First, make sure your temperature setting is correct. Many fridges accidentally get set to a warmer level, especially after cleaning or power cuts. Set the fridge between 2 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, and the freezer at minus 15 degrees Celsius to minus 18 degrees Celsius. Give it 10 to 15 minutes to see if the compressor responds. Cooling depends on good airflow. If your fridge is overloaded or food items are blocking the vents, cold air cannot circulate. Make sure back vents are open and nothing is covering them. In 50% of cases, airflow blockage alone causes cooling issues. Dirty condenser coils are one of the biggest reasons for poor cooling. When the coils get dusty, they cannot release heat. Unplug the fridge. Clean the coils with a brush or vacuum. A 5-minute cleaning can instantly improve cooling performance. Now check if the compressor is running. You should hear a low humming sound if the compressor is silent. Turning on and off repeatedly, or clicking your start relay, overload protector, or compressor itself may be faulty. We'll test that next. Now, check if the compressor is running. You should hear a low humming sound if the compressor is silent. Turning on and off repeatedly, or clicking your start relay, overload protector or compressor itself may be faulty. We'll test that next. The start relay helps the compressor start. A bad relay means the compressor won't run, causing no cooling. Remove the relay, shake it gently. If it rattles, it's likely bad, or test it with a multimeter. Replacing the relay is cheap and often brings a fridge back to life instantly. Inside the freezer, the evaporator fan moves cold air to the fridge section. If this fan stops working, your freezer may cool, but the fridge will stay warm. Open the freezer panel. Check if the fan spins. If it's stuck, noisy, or dead, replacing the fan motor usually solves the problem. Excessive ice buildup blocks airflow and stops cooling. This happens when the defrost heater or thermostat fails. If your freezer is full of ice, turn off the fridge for 4 to 6 hours or perform a full defrost. If the ice returns often, the defrost system will need repair. Most no cooling problems are caused by just a few things: dirty coils, faulty start relay, blocked airflow, defective evaporator fan, heavy ice buildup. Fixing these solves the issue in nearly all cases.